Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel Accounting Celebrity. Today I'll show you the two important formulas in accounting, which are the margin and the markup. Okay, margin and markup. When students try to figure out margin and markup, they get often confused because different times question comes in different way. Now I'll show you how easily you can understand the margin and markup. Let's get started. So what is margin first of all? So margin is the gross profit measured as a percentage of selling price. Okay, so selling price will be given in the question and gross profit will be given. You need to calculate your margin. So what about markup? Markup is the gross profit measured as a percentage of cost price. Cost price means cost of sales. Cost of sales is often called cost of goods sold. Okay, both the terms are same, don't worry. Okay, so what is the formula for margin? How to calculate? You understood this one, so it will be very easy now. Look here, gross profit divided by sales times 100 for margin. Okay, and gross profit divided by cost of sales times 100 for markup. Okay, so what are the differences you can see here? Just only one difference. Here you divided by sales, but here you divided by cost of sales or cost of goods sold, whatever you call. So this is the difference. Okay, for example, look at this question. Sales for the year is $40,000 and cost of sales is $30,000. So now how to calculate margin? It's very easy. Gross profit you need to find out. So how to calculate gross profit? Sales minus cost of sales equal to gross profit. Okay, so right here your sales is $40,000 minus $30,000, cost of sales divided by sales, which is $40,000 again, times 100. So your margin is 25% if you calculate. Okay, how to calculate markup? Same way, gross profit equal to what? Sales minus cost of sales, that's your gross profit, divided by cost of sales. What is it? $30,000. So never write here sales. Okay, sometimes students make mistake. Instead of cost of sales they write sales, which is not correct. Okay, now if you calculate, your answer will be 33.33%. okay, very easy to calculate margin and markup if you have in the question sales and cost of sales. But this information will not be given all the time. Different times you will get question in different ways. Okay, so I'll show you some twisted question. Look at here. Here first one, sales for the year is $40,000 and markup is 33.33%. Calculate the margin. What do you think? It's tricky, yeah? So sales is given here, markup is given, no cost of sales, no gross profit. So how to calculate margin? Think, it's your homework. Okay, look at next one. Cost of sales is $30,000 and markup is 3.33. So previous one you had sales and this one you have cost of sales. So I said different times, question in different ways. So here you have cost of sales, no gross profit, no sales, but you need to calculate the margin. Okay, it will be very tricky. The last one, gross profit is $10,000 in the question and markup is 33.33%. So here how to calculate margin? It is also complex, very complicated. So here gross profit is given. You don't know what is your sales, you don't know what is your cost of sales, but you have to calculate your margin. Okay, so don't be confused. Try to figure them out, and then if you cannot do, let me know. Just comment below. I'm gonna make one more lesson on these topics. Okay, so this was my quick video for today. See you again soon. Subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and share this lesson with your friends. Stay safe and take care.